Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Schwab app not opening. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, then reopen it. This will force close the app. Then try opening it again after a few seconds. Then make sure the app is updated. Head over to your app store or your Play Store, search for the Schwab app, and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version, as outdated versions may fail to open. Then restart your phone to refresh the system and fix minor software glitches. If it still does not open, clear the app's cache on Android or uninstall and reinstall the app. If the issue continues, it may be due to a temporary server downtime, so try again later. That's how you fix the Schwab app.